t, right? Right.
Uh,
Derivative of 3t squares.
oh, derivative of 3t squared is 6t. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
That was not locked.
So a is equal to 6. The instantaneous acceleration of the object at t equals 3 seconds is 6. So it's v. Bro, what if I don't know how to take the integral of something tomorrow on the test?
Then you might be cooked.
Oh my. Bro, what's taking so long to open up a stream?
It's open. It's up. It's up. Don't worry.
Wait, real?
Yes.
So I can like hear myself.
Media updates. Uh, hello. Wait, say something.
Hello? Wait, let me see if it echoes. Hello?
Nope. Well, I can hear your computer. That's why. Okay, what is up, chat? We are studying up for AP Physics C.
Yeah, I can hear myself on the replay. It's like 15 seconds behind actually.
Uh,
Wait, hello?
hello.
Okay. So you do 24.
Okay, so 24. It's given by this, and what is the instantaneous acceleration at 3? Okay, so this is your acceleration. So you plug in 3 seconds, you get 9 times 3 is 27. That is not what it. Oh, instantaneous acceleration. Okay, so you take the double derivative, you get 6. So it's 6.
Okay, 25.
A student is testing the kinematic equations for the uniformly accelerated motion by measuring the
Picture?
time it takes for the lightweight plastic balls to fall on the floor from a height of 3 meters in the lab. The student predicts the time to fall by using g is 9.8 over a second squared, but finds the measured time to be 35% greater. Okay. Nope. Nope. Uh, what?
What is this question, bro? The acceleration of due to gravity is 70% less than 9.82 meters per second. So it's not A, it's not C, because it can't increase the bound's acceleration, because it has to decrease the bound's acceleration. Acceleration of plastic balls is not uniform. That's incorrect. Plastic balls are not truly spherical. Aloki thinks it's B. It has to be B.
What?
It has to be B.
Okay,
Check the
wait.
answer, bro.
I wanna check this right now. It's D. A and B are unrealistic.
What?
Okay, C is wrong. E is irrelevant. Yeah, so it is
Wait,
D.
but what do you mean decreased acceleration? It says, wait, acceleration of plastic balls is not uniform? What the hell does that even mean?
Oh, okay. So what? I don't freaking know.
Wait, who's the second person that's watching the stream right now?
It says
Ian,
you're the
type
only
in the chat, bro.
concurrent viewer.
I'm, it says two watching now. Okay, anyways. Wait, but what is like how does that even make sense? The acceleration. Bishop! 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 Hello, hello, hello.
Okay.
Bro, 26 is such a buns question. I didn't even do 26.
What do you need help with?
Why is the answer for 25 D?
Because everything else doesn't make sense.
Okay, A and B don't make sense. Gravity is not going to be less. Air resistance would decrease the downward acceleration.
And
E, the plastic balls are not
that's not
truly.
good.
Yeah,
That's
but
not good.
why
Yeah,
is it
that's
D?
Yeah, but why is D
What is that?
like, like,
if
what does
it's
it
not.
even mean?
Oh
What
wait,
is
that's
acceleration of plastic balls not you? Does that mean
If
acceleration
acceleration
changes?
not
weight of the plastic balls.
no. If acceleration's not uniform, right? Then like the acceleration might go be less and then get greater all of a sudden. I don't know, so that might take it longer because it's gonna be like more variable or
Bro,
whatnot.
what?
I don't
How
know.
does acceleration change? Gravity is not changed, bro.
Could it just be the weight of the ball itself?
That's such like a
Yeah,
like a like a dubious question. The answer to.
Just take it, bro.
yeah. I don't think culprits asking that.
Okay, Eon,
Uh-huh.
what happened to your webcam, bro? What's going on?
I can't have it in both places.
Wait, so it's on the stream now?
In a couple seconds, yeah.
Oh wait, I'm not live.
But I need that concurrent viewer.
Yo, who's the second viewer, bro? Bro, Eon, what if Mr. Beast is giving giving people donating 10K to YouTube channels with only one stream view?
One view.
What if he's doing that now?
That'd be good.
Okay, anyways. Um okay, 26. How do you do 26? I look you want to skip 26. Because that was a
Okay,
main
an
question.
object is okay. What is it
Oh,
asking?
we did this. We did this in class, bro.
An object
Yeah,
is
how do you
thrown
do
at the
that?
velocity of a cliff above the ground.
It's like
In
C.
order
You
for
can
it to
logic it out,
travel a
but
maximum
there's
or oh no, yeah. Oh, I did. I remember doing this
That's literally the
one.
thing
Okay,
left.
so horizontal is going to be the worst, and
don't
then
don't.
above 60 is going to be bad. Uh, but
What, so is it not B then?
no, because that's also that maximizes that
Height.
maximizes freaking that maximizes like total distance, but because you want to maximize horizontal distance, it's going to be greater than 0 but less than 45, I think.
Yo, Robocog get in chat. Can you explain that question?
Yes. Okay. 45 gives the maximum horizontal transfer to the original elevation, but smaller of it causes it to have a greater horizontal component. So the given additional time allows for the
I
trip
mean,
trajectory.
it's because you're already starting from a higher height, so you don't need the larger angle to
Yeah.
like go even higher, basically. So it's
Wait,
fine if it's less.
So,
let me read that again.
oh, you want to read the explanation?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Okay, the 45-degree angle is maximum horizontal down to original elevation. The smaller angle causes the projectile to have a greater horizontal component of the velocity. So given the additional time, so it will eventually cross the. What the hell?
Mm-hmm.
All right, next question. Next question. All right,
That's it. Okay, next page. But I think I already might. You want to do the next one? Let's do some
wait, let's do.
FRQs.
Yeah, let's do the FRQ. Do the FRQ and then do the AP class.
This is 1983, bro.
Bro, is your like I'm the only one who's watching now.
I know.
Okay. Unit 1 apps account. I'll do the Unit 1 FRQ.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Suppose it moves so that the x component of its velocity has a constant value. Okay. and x equals ct. Okay. The diagram will indicate the directions.
What the hell?
What? Okay, let's just. Okay, indicate the directions of the particle's velocity vector and acceleration vector at point r. Okay, so velocity vector is going. Okay, wait, let me.
Isn't
Uh,
velocity vector like the
okay,
tangent line,
yes.
and then the acceleration vector is like the
So your
like
velocity vector is
ten
going to be going like that, and then
straight up, and the acceleration is gonna be straight up.
acceleration is going to be acceleration's constant, so it's just going to be like that or something,
Bro, what?
right?
Fisher,
Fisher.
Fisher.
Yeah. Yes. Why are you doing
Bro,
FRQ?
wait.
Because
Oh, wait. There's not even an FRQ on the test.
oh, so yeah,
Oh,
no,
yeah. We're not doing this
no,
anymore.
Yeah, but
okay.
Loki, we should probably look at
No,
that.
No,
this is
they make
not the.
no
We'll
sense.
fail the AP
This is
exam.
not the time to be doing that.
We'll fail the AP
It's
exam.
not
They
now.
make no
We'll cram it
sense.
in later.
Wait. Tomorrow, the first period, Chinese is always a free period. Day. Should I A do my English annotations, which is like 50 pages to do next month? B study for the physics test, which is in 2 periods, or C watch YouTube.
I
I say
think you
hop on
can.
Insta.
You're so right, Bishop. I'll do that.
Okay.
What are you searching?
Oh, why is
Acceleration.
Robogog in this stream, bro? He's
I
coming
was
for your
clicking
number
it
one
too.
spot, bro. He's one message
He's
away.
he's not
Wait, what about
watching.
acceleration is parallel to velocity?
No, no,
Is Karthik also studying for this?
yes.
I have it first, like second period tomorrow.
Wait, is he
He's
doing physics one or physics C?
C. He's the first one taking the test tomorrow.
You sure?
Wait, but I thought this was first period.
No, it's just 2A.
Wait, so did he already take it?
Hmm?
Oh, today was a beating. Chat, 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 chat. All right, let's do all these questions. Why is there 6 questions? 7 questions. I mean, 6 pages of questions.
Okay, I
Yeah, let's go. 1. Golf for practice on a range elevated tree.
Do you just know if it's up or down, if it's concave up or concave?
Okay, what is the first question?
Horizontal.
How long after the ball leaves will it land on the fairway?
Oh, it's
Okay.
just that thing. So 2V naught sine theta over G, right?
Is this F or Q?
Yeah.
Why are we doing this, Ian?
Yeah, why are we doing this?
How long after the ball leaves will it land on the
Okay,
fairway?
hey, only the first question is FRQ, so let's move on. No way, I
For
lied.
real?
I just can't. No, I lied. I saw letters and I thought it was fun.
Oh my bro. Wait, is the answers at the end?
The
So
answers
it's
are
not
directly under it.
oh, actually,
Under
Bro,
each question is the
Dominic,
answer.
Leon, do the relative motion problems.
Oh,
yeah,
on
yeah, yeah,
AP
yeah,
class.
Eon,
Okay.
hop on that.
This, no. This,
Wait, Eon, are you streaming on one window only?
yeah.
Wait, so
Eon,
I
doing mech and AP Chem in 1 year is low key crazy though.
You see the
assignments,
my
heck
schedule is so cooked.
Not that's pretty free. We just did that. Do reference frames.
but the Progress Trek MCQ is the same questions that we just did.
They're different, but they're similar. Like the reference frame ones are the hardest ones.
What the hell is a reference frame?
It's like relative motion. So like if you have like an apple that's thrown off a train, it has a certain velocity relative to the train, but it asks you to derive the velocity relative
Oh,
to the observer.
We should hop on the live stream, bro. Okay,
yeah,
reference
bro. We need
frames and
support.
relative motion quiz. Okay.
Bus is moving forward at 5 meters per second when a student tosses an apple upwards and towards the bus. With respect to the moving bus, the apple has an initial velocity of 10 meters per second at an angle of 60 above the horizon.
Dominic,
Which of the
you
following?
have to imagine it. So it's like you have to always add the vectors like up. So what you want to say is like apple to ground equals to um I don't know, train to train to apple plus apple to ground. Or wait, I'm tweaking. Apple to ground equals apple to train plus train to ground.
Okay,
Which
so
of the following correctly describes the magnitude v0 and angle of apple's initial velocity relative to an observer standing on the ground?
okay,
Okay,
so
so what does
you
this
have it.
mean? Wait, wait, wait.
Let's do a car with photo. Okay, so you have this guy here. Uh huh. And then you have a bus.
Wait, so he's throwing it directly perpendicular to the bus's path, right?
5 meters. Okay.
I know how to do this.
A student on the bus. He's on the bus. He's in the bus. Okay.
Wait, what? He's on the bus?
Yes.
Toss the apple upwards and towards the front of the bus.
Okay.
Apple has
So,
it. Oh, so he's
Yeah,
tossing it like that way.
You play.
Okay.
the apple has 10 meters per second initial velocity, and it's 60 degrees above. Okay, so let's make the bus bigger. Okay, so in the bus,
Wait, so
this
isn't it
guy.
not literally you add so it's like um so the bus is already moving forward at 5 meters per second and you add the horizontal vector to make it sine 60 times 10.
No, but 10 is the 10 is the 10 is the hypotenuse. That's the like velocity.
Yeah, sine 60 and you get the oh wait, no, cosine 60.
Um, the initial velocity relative to an observer. Okay, so from the observer's perspective, the velocity is going to be um,
No, the y component
10
of
meters per
velocity because it
second.
can
The velocity is going to be well, it's going to be greater than 10 meters per second, basically.
actually they have because the bus is
It's
moving forward at
bus
5 meters per
going, yeah,
second.
yeah.
That's
We don't
only
need to know anything
horizontal.
else, okay? And the angle is that going to change? No, the angle doesn't change. So yeah, that's it.
How's it greater though?
Because the bus is moving and you're moving, so you're moving
Yeah,
faster.
no, but the bus is moving at 5 meters per second. The observer is just stationary, right?
Yeah,
Wait, yeah,
the observer's outside the bus.
yeah. The observer is standing. He has no velocity, right?
Yeah,
And
so
so
from the observer.
he has zero horizontal uh velocity, right?
No,
The bus
so
has
what?
five.
From his perspective, the apple is moving 10 meters per second plus part of the 5 meters per second. So
No,
it's
but I
greater
thought
than 10.
I thought the 10 meters per second should be multiplied by cosine 60,
You're not calculating the velocity. You just have to know it's greater.
like the component.
You don't need a component vector. You're finding the total velocity, not the horizontal velocity.
Yeah, but the bus doesn't have a vertical component, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
but
so you just add the vectors. So if the bus is
yes,
going like bam, 5 meters per second,
I drew the
and it's
picture,
going
bro.
like bam.
Guys get greater than 10.
Yes, yeah. That
Okay, yeah,
one,
so it is greater than
you're
10.
just completely overthinking.
Vector addition.
You don't need to do
And
it,
you just
bro. It's just saying you're throwing something on a moving object, so it's going faster, and the angle stays the same.
Yeah.
Oh no, the angle's lower. The angle's lower because if you draw it out and you add them, and then you come from the origin and point to the new vector,
Oh,
then the angle's lower.
oh. So that plus that equals that. So the angle is lower. You're
Yeah,
right.
yeah. So it's B. Let's go.
Okay, I might have underthought
Car
it.
car A is traveling east with a speed of 30. Car travels B with the what's the direction of velocity car B relative to car A? What the hell is this? Car A
So
is traveling east,
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 east, east, northeast. So car
north.
A. So this car
Direction of velocity car B relative to car A. So
is
A
going
and then B.
30 meters per
It's gonna be
second,
A. It's gonna
and
be
car B is going
Wait, Corey, can I enter for just a second? One second.
40 meters per second. Okay. What is the velocity of B relative to A? So this guy's going that way, so this guy's going this way. Frick. What the hell? Um, okay.
I think I might got it. North of west.
Yeah. I think.
Okay, so I think it's the answer is so if that's 45, but this one's longer and this one's shorter. That means it's acute and no, it would be greater than. No, it's not a hypo it's a what the hell do you it's a less than 45. This
Okay.
one's less
So
than
that
45.
so all the angles are 53.
Yeah, no, but this one's less than 45, so the answer is for
Okay. Okay.
53
So
north
what
of
direction is this guy
west.
going? Okay.
53
So
north of west.
okay. So if you're going in a car that's going this way, and there's a car going this way,
Eon, here, let me explain it.
okay.
The guy going north is going faster, and so therefore he's going further. So if you draw a triangle, say they both traveled 1 second. The guy going up traveled 40, so it's longer leg. It's a longer leg. The one pointing up should be longer because he's traveling 40.
Oh shoot.
No, not that one. What are you doing? Okay, yeah, sure. So if you connect those 2 points and make a triangle, then that angle is less than 45, right? Just by looking at it.
Oh yeah, it has to. Yeah.
And so if you draw a line straight up from where the arrow is pointing for the one going west or east, draw a line straight up.
Oh, from
So
here.
go, yeah, draw, yeah, yeah. And if the angle is 45, less than 45, then the other angle has to be greater than 45, right? So it
Mhm.
becomes 90. And so that's like from the developer's perspective. So becomes 53 north of west, I think.
Mm, I understand. Kind of. Which route did you get? 53 north or west?
Yeah, yeah, I did.
Okay.
I did.
A toy plane maintains an airspeed between points A and B with a negligible wind. Uh, when the air is moving at a velocity of 1/2 VP. So the air is moving at half the speed of the plane from point B to A. The toy plane can make a trip to A to B in T A to B. trip. Oh, okay. So going to A to B normally is VP. Um, if the air is moving at a velocity of half of this speed when going from B to A, so the air is backwards, then um, then the plane is going to be faster going backwards than the normal speed, and it's going to be slower than going backwards in the other time. Okay, so faster, slower, right?
Wait, I wasn't like doing the question
Okay,
when you're doing the question.
so in T0 is the time it goes with no wind, and that's
Keon,
that.
wait. It's not that.
What?
It
What?
should be A. I did this yesterday. I got
What?
A, and it marked that A is correct. Let me think.
Okay, but okay,
Same.
wait. So wait, but isn't it A to B is your speed? Then uh, now there's wind going
No,
B to
wait, B to
A.
A. So
Yeah.
B to A should be
So
okay.
so the wind's going this
So
way. So when you're going from A to B, it's going to be slower because you're fighting the wind.
so
When you're going from B to A, it's going to be faster because you're going with the wind, right?
Okay, I'm skipping this question.
So is it not? So would it not be B?
yeah. No, because look, in that one, B to A is the greatest. It should be the least.
Oh, it's time. Yeah, not speed. Okay, my bad. Okay, that makes sense. So it does make sense. I just was looking at the wrong thing. Okay. The position
Uh,
time graph.
what is
Hey,
this?
what is the reference for? Okay, that's too much work. Position time graph represents the motion of two cars, S and T. Okay. Uh, which indicated times would S B appear to be moving in the negative direction
It's
when
when the velocity of T is greater than the velocity of S.
so T4.
The first time. Not T4, T3. Look at the slope. Because that's position. That's a graph of position. You need to look at the slope for velocity.
Oh, would it be appearing to be moving in a net? Wait, if the car is appearing.
S
Oh,
would
I
be
don't.
if car T is going, yeah.
How's it T3?
If you're going faster, then the other car looks like it's going slower. Okay,
I know,
so
but
that's
like,
what.
how do you like take the derivative of it at T3 and look at it
Yeah.
faster than that?
Mhm. Yeah.
How's the derivative at T3 faster?
I don't know. It just is. It's definitely after T2, before T4, so T3. A student seated in a slowly moving bus holds a ball out at arm's length and releases it. Immediately
Wait, wait, wait,
afterward, the
wait, wait,
bus.
wait, wait. I still don't get how it's T3.
Huh? You don't get how it's T3? Okay,
Yeah,
so this car is moving constant acceleration. This car has has whatever constant velocity. This car has a non-constant.
yeah,
So so at this is the position graph. So
Yeah, me
the
too.
cars
Here.
start the same. This car's ahead, uh, but this car is moving slower.
No. Do you
So
want me to
so
do?
wait, wait, wait.
so
But
you
Leon,
have a
Leon,
car. This car's going fast, and then
Leon. But wait, wait. If it's like the derivative, if you take the derivative of T. T3 and eyeball it against T4. And is it the slope per T4, like the tangent line, greater than
Just
T3?
do it for this.
Yeah, but it asks for
Oh,
first. It asks for
first,
first.
first. Okay, but so what
Alright,
about T2? T2 is like
it
not.
was
T2 is definitely not.
okay, that's
T2
cool.
is
It
Dang.
like
was
way
cool.
low.
The sun was the one shut to train.
Dang.
Right?
Wait,
Okay.
read the whole.
He understands it now.
Bro, this should mute.
Okay, so
What's up?
you
My bad.
so you
Dude,
have a student
seated.
in a bus. He drops a ball. So the ball is getting dropped. So the ball's
On this
going.
post.
Oh no. Oh no, the ball would be going like that, right?
Oh, what is this? Okay, look. Okay,
Ball
so
would fall forward. Okay, which of the following is closest to the vertical component of acceleration when the ball slows down? Okay, when the bus slows down. Okay, so relative to the ball, they're moving at
wait. So
zero.
when the
So
bus slows down, when the bus slows down,
so the bus is slowing down, and
then does the ball slow down? No, the ball becomes quicker, right?
oh, okay. Well, this is a trick question
How is it 10? How is it 10?
because the vertical component of the acceleration is the same. Because the bus slowing down doesn't affect the vertical acceleration; it
Yo,
affects the
is this
horizontal.
physics?
Yes,
Yes, it's physics. You're on live stream right
Yeah.
now.
you're on.
Yo, I'm doing it right now too. I'm doing it right
You're
now
on
too.
stream, bro.
I'm on stream.
To one viewer.
You're on stream. You're down to 2 viewers now.
Bro.
He's
You guys
streaming
not there.
this.
Yeah,
He's
I'm
streaming
watching.
this stuff. Okay, wait. Wait, but how's it 10? How's it 10?
Okay. So you're in a wait. Oops. Okay. So you're in a bus. Okay. You're dropping a ball, and then the bus is slowing down horizontally, but your ball
Yeah.
is still just falling. So the vertical component of the acceleration, this not the speed, the acceleration is the same.
Yeah,
Cause you,
that's so smart.
it's a trick question. Right, Bishut?
Don't,
Right, Bishut? Right, Bishut?
What's up?
This is 10, right? Because they're
It's just
vertical.
time, yeah. It's just gravity. It's just gravity.
A boat traveling across a river with current, as shown in the figure, has a speed, okay, relative to the water, and the current has a speed of that relative to the shore. So velocity of the boat, okay.
it's 5. It's 5. It's 5 because it's Pythagorean theorem.
Oh,
Wow.
4 squared plus 3 squared equals 5
Bro, you
squared.
drew it the tri. You drew
Wait,
the
the
triangle
triangle.
wrong. You drew the triangle wrong.
Oh, bitch. Wait, is that wrong? Oh no, it's going that way. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so this is 5. Okay,
Wait, but how is that like right?
yeah,
How do you know?
because
Because you added the
Bishruth,
vector. Because you
Bishruth,
added the vector. You just added the vectors. You just add the vectors.
uh,
You just add the vectors and then it's a
yeah,
triangle. And you just get it. Yeah. 6,
reference
7.
frame. 6, 7.
3 cars in a straight line. 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
To the east, to the
The
east,
speed
to
and
the
direction is 20. Okay. Oh, V1 is going 20, V2 is going 25, and V3 is going 15 to the west. Okay. Relative velocity of car 2 with respect to car 1 is V2 1. Okay. Relative
I ain't trying
of
to
car
do this,
3.
bro.
Okay, so So from this guy's perspective, this guy's going V21, and then from this guy's perspective, this guy's going V31. No, from this guy's perspective, it's going V31, which ranks it in um, ranks the magnitude. Okay, so this is absolute value. So uh, V V31, V32, and V21. Okay, so from this guy's perspective, this guy's going a little bit faster. From this guy's perspective, this guy's going a lot faster.
Very fast.
This guy,
So
from this
V3
guy's
is the
perspective,
greatest.
this guy is going pretty faster. So V1 is
Okay, I could
V31.
get this.
V31 is the greatest, right?
Bro, what is this, bro? I
Huh?
just don't want to think about it
What? What?
right
Um. What? Why?
Owen, Owen.
What? Huh?
Don't you need
V21.
don't you need to like buy bosses viewers?
Wait. Why are we wrong?
Okay, let me do it for real this time.
Oh, I'm stupid. It's V2. It is V2. V2 is greater than. Okay, that makes sense. No, I lied. No, it's because this guy's going faster this way, so it makes this guy look even faster.
Wait, let me do it. Let me do it. Car 2, velocity of car 2 with car 1
You're not actually gonna do it. You're lying.
is the
You're too lazy to
relative
do it.
to car 1
You're
is.
way too lazy to do it. You wouldn't.
Bro, why'd
do
you close the stream? Why'd you close the stream?
I misclicked.
Oh. Um, um, okay, so A is not the answer. Let's go.
No, I understand it now.
Okay, wait, so relative car or velocity 1 is
So-
5. The 3-2 is respect from 3 to 2.
Okay.
And so that's the greatest. That's the max.
Mhm.
And then V31,
So-
respect from 1 to 3 is less than that. So it's V32 is greater than V31. It's greater than V21.
That's what I got to. I was
Which is
confused
D.
because I flipped my
Let's
V32 and
go.
V2.
Let's go, bro. You need to promote your stream, bro. We're doing hella educational activities.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 8. Observe standing on the ground. Measures the stream. To the right.
Hmm?
Observe standing on the ground. Speed of the train as VR. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Stone is long outwards to the left. What is the speed at which the stone was launched to relative to the train?
Okay.
Okay, so the
So
VR
this. So
18 meters per second and VS is 10 meters per second.
so
Wait, this
from,
one down here, be careful. Your X hat component's gonna be negative.
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah. So relative to the observer, the train is going 18, and then the stone is launched at a negative 10. At negative 10, like that. Okay.
It's going negative 18 minus 10 sine 45 cosine 45 to the right. As the x component and the y component would be just negative 10 sine of 45. And what was the speed relative launch to the train? Well, that's the magnitude of both of them.
Oh
So you
wait,
just
no.
take the
Wait, you would no. It'd be 10 meters per second plus. Oh, okay.
No,
So
I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Yeah, Elwood, I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Square root of -10 sine 45 squares plus -18 minus 10 cosine of 45 squares. Damn! The answer is 26. It's C.
wait. So your x component of that is 10√2/2, and then you -10√2/2 plus 18, and then you add that back to the y component, plus 10 sine plus 10√2.
Wait, what are you doing, root 2?
Sine
Just
sine
say
cosine.
just say cosine and sine.
So so your x component is that cosine 45, and then that's your x. Oh, okay. Okay, so your x component is 18 minus 10 cosine 45, and then your y component is 10 sine 45, right? And then you do the magnitude of that, and then you get 26. Is that what you did?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I guess I could do.
Observer measures the package of a V1.
Wait, I
So
got
it's not just
15. Wait, how did I get 15? Look at my screen. Did I do it wrong?
Yeah. You're supposed to add them and square root them as like a distance formula. Because like the magnitude of a vector, right? Oh wait, no. Desmos is inaccurate as in it's not in degrees. It's not in degrees.
uh, wait, huh?
No, don't use Desmos when you're doing the angles. It's like bums.
Okay. Root 2 over 2. Okay. So that squared plus x component squared plus y component squared. Square rooted.
What the hell's wrong with your calculator?
What did you do wrong?
Eon,
I didn't do
it's
anything
not
wrong.
Eon. It's not 13. It's 26. You have to subtract 18 from -10√2 over 2.
I did that, huh?
No, you did. 18 isn't negative.
No, 18 minus. 18 also has to be
-18 minus that. No, -18 minus that.
just minus 18. Yeah, -18.
Oh, this 18 is negative. Wait, why is 18 negative? Wait, where did,
Because
okay, no, that makes sense, that makes sense, that makes sense, that makes sense.
wait, they
Does it
change
make
your answer
sense?
to
Oops. Hey,
Is this not B?
airplane flies horizontally over a stationary observer. It releases a package when it's located. that, and then Lucius' second package runs there. The observer measures the first package, however, speed of V1 when released, and the second package reached. Right?
V1 and V2 are both equal to each other, yeah, and they're zero. They're greater than zero. Yeah, that's right.
What? No, isn't it when? Oh no, yeah, they still have. Yeah, okay.
It's not B.
Yeah, it's B. Don't worry about my score on the other one. Secure assessment. Oh, this is our test. Ooh. 25, 26, unit 1. Yeah, wait, we should only be doing AP Classroom because that's all it is.
I need to go take a piss.
Okay.
What other quizzes are there?
Um, represent
What's the
motion.
hardest quiz in here? We should do motion in 2 or 3 dimensions. That's probably gonna be majority of the time.
What? Okay. Oh, shoot.
I haven't done that one either. I'll do it with you guys.
Okay. So a river has a width W, okay, and a current VR. A boat maintains a constant velocity as it travels from point A to point B, and at the distance upstream. Okay, the water speed is BW with a heading of theta BW. What is the expression for D? Okay, so how do you find the V component of this? Okay, the sign, the Y component is what it's asking. Okay, so then the Y component is just going to be VBW sine theta, um, and then you have to do something about the VR, which is going to, so that's going to minus VR minus VR, and then what are your options? VW sine theta. So yeah, okay. It's just B, right? And then why do you multiply the width over the x component? This height. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Right? Bishop, did you get it? Hello? Anyone? Hello? You. An object starts at rest and then moves in the XY plane with the components A, AX, and AY.
Hello, Samuel.
Hello.
Fortunately, the contributor to the stream has to hop off now.
Wow.
I'm done.
We're doing this. This one's important. Efficient said this is
Real?
probably gonna be most of the test.
I'll do tomato in Chinese.
No. Okay.
But
Hello. Hello. It's pretty delayed. Hello.